Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To my loyal viewers and subscribers. A people without knowledge of their past history, origin and culture is like a tree without roots. Yeah, most Jamaican people are like that. If you have no confidence in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you won even before you started. Yes, that's a quote from the late Marcus Garvey. And you know, as a people, one I think that Jamaican people lack is self-confidence. Yes, you can see Jamaican people hate being black, they hate everything about themselves. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. You know, we at the channel are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Jamaica Young Police channel does not tell lies, as it is not in our DNA. Whatever you hear here is the truth and nothing but the truth. If we at the Jamaica Young Police channel saying anything that is not true, well, you can come here and correct the same. A wise man, yes, a wise man can change his mind, but a fool can't, because he's a fool. A fool will never ever know that he's a fool, even when it is pointed out to the fool that he's a fool, because all he's talking about is foolishness. Yes. Remember, you must never try to educate a fool, because the fool will hate you. Only a friend will tell you the truth. Before we begin today's video, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel want our audience and detractors to know that anything that we have said here that is incorrect, you can reach out to us and we will give you the chance to correct the same. To us, the first and foremost thing about us and the Jamaica Young Police channel is our character, credibility and reputation. We have never slandered or defamed anyone's name on this platform. Whatever you are hearing here is the truth. If the truth shall kill those who hate the truth, let it kill them. Remember that we said before, those who do not know the truth are fools, and those who knew the truth and call it a lie is a depraved and criminal-minded people. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we want our loyal viewers and subscribers to know that we are not over here promoting propagandas or lies. Everything that we're telling you, it's factual, whether it's past or present. That's what we're all about here. Educate, inform, inspire, and to change minds, to open up people's eyes, to see what's have been happening in their own world. Yes, today we're going to talk about the Jamaicans that are using various South American and Central American country to enter the United States illegally. Yeah, man, even people who are wanted for murder. We have seen Raheem, that's J-man, you know, enter the United States. This is a man who was arrested and charged of murder in Jamaica, jumped the case, come to America and applying for asylum. And we have seen so many others. We have seen a man who's from Tivoli Gardens who's wanted for murder, and he's in the last time we checked the information we received, he's in Teaneck, New Jersey. So the American government need to do something about these people, charge the family member or whoever is putting up these criminals and charge them, you know, as harboring a fugitive, you know, evading justice or something. They can do that, you understand, to deter these people from allowing these criminals to enter the United States of America. So Mexico now have reached a point now where they start denying entry to Jamaicans because they're using Mexico as a transshipment point to enter the United States. So, you know, Mexico is helping keeping out the Jamaican criminals, and we as Jamaican who live in the United, we do not want them around us because these people are criminals. So right now today, you know, the police you understand, the immigration enforcement and removal operation, Boston fugitive operation team, officers arrested an unlawfully present fugitive wanted in Jamaica for murder in Bridgeport on April 14. You understand? And you know, the police officers, the ERO officers in Hartford discovered that the unlawful individual was wanted since May 2022 by law enforcement authority in Westmoreland, Jamaica, on charges of murder, illegal possession of firearm, and wounding with intent to do grievous bodily harm. So what these criminals have been doing, you know, because Jamaican criminals are very, let me tell you, they are smart, you know, but their smartness is to commit crimes, not to use it for a betterment of themselves and their country and fellow human beings. Their smartness is how to beat the law. So you know that it's the same criminals, you know, wanted men and dons who come to America and claim asylum, that their life is in danger and all kind of stuff, and they will come into America on boat, and then, because it happened from in Trump time, you know, and they need to stop these things because these people are parasites, because a lot of them come here and become hitman, just kill people, because these people have no regard to life, you know, and they love the liberal system, especially in New York and all those liberal states, that they can get 15 years in prison and they can get parole, and when they get parole they just go back to Jamaica and continue their killing spree. So they arrested this man, you know, he was wanted for murder and claiming asylum. A man who had killed somebody in Jamaica, you know, and he's claiming asylum in America after he's running away from justice in Jamaica for killing another Jamaican. And he's claiming in America that he's living in fear of his life, so he's claiming asylum in America. Can you believe that? A man who's a killer is claiming that his life is in danger after he had killed people in Jamaica. So I want you to listen to this report of from one of the Jamaican TV station there, telling us what's going on with these Jamaican criminals who are using Mexico to come across, because you know it's just one person who started this, you know, and this thing has become lucrative, you know. So you know the South and Central American countries are making, all they have to do is just jack up the playing field, and criminals don't care about, they just want to know that they reach. Because once they come to America, you know, it's just chaos, you know, they're gonna create, because these people don't respect laws, you know, and they're not afraid of to kill police officers, and we have seen that already with Jamaicans here in America. So I want you to listen to this report from one of Jamaican TV station telling us about what is happening with, because Mexico, you know, is pretty much now closing it off to them, and we in the diaspora, we are very happy because we don't want them around us. Yes, period. There are so many people who are convicted and who are released from prison. As they come out of prison, right in America they are. How that happened? How convicted criminals reach in America? A man who's just come out of prison and not even 2 days after that he's in America. How that? And it used to be so hard to reach in America. Now it's easy. Easier to come to America than England. Because the thing is that now in England now, you know, you can be in a bus and you just reach on a roadblock, and that's immigration and police there. You cannot run because they're gonna catch you. American immigration and these people are taking advantage of it. This is a man who's wanted for murder, and he's in America. This is the man, yes, and he is in Teaneck, New Jersey. You understand? So we did a story about him, and we're gonna educate the people more about them. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the number of Jamaicans being refused entry by the Panamanian government is increasing.
Now it's believed that they're using the route to get to Mexico with the hope of crossing the border into the United States.
Now our reporter Jamila Maitland spoke with one of them.
Getting to the United States by any means necessary. It's the story of several Jamaicans who've been using the alternative means to get to the U.S. It has forced the government of some Central American countries to be wary of Jamaican travelers. According to the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, between January 1, 2018 and March 31, 2023, 2,167 Jamaicans were refused entry by the Panamanian government. 2,055 of them occurred at the beginning of 2020. During that same period, 143 Jamaicans were refused entry by the Mexican government. We spoke to a woman who we'll call Pam, who was among the statistics.
People with criminal offenses in Panama don't accept them. So we can't use Panama to go to a next country and we can't come into them country, period.
But that's not stopping Pam, who is in her 50s, from trying again. She revealed that several of her friends have successfully crossed the border and are now working and sending money back home.
You will lose all your money, and when you reach Mexico, Mexico still don't accept you. You understand? Some of the country they must accept you, so it's a risk, and you just have to pray and just hope everything just work out.
It's a risky
but once Mexico accept you, you feel more, you understand, because you're nearer to your goal, you're nearer to your journey.
And you said, would you be taking another trip again to try to see?
Yes, a trip till I reach right in. I'm not staying.
Not staying in Jamaica because of the lack of opportunities for people her age, the level of crime and violence, and the cost of living. However, according to Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, it's not only a dangerous trek, but it can affect legitimate travelers. She revealed that several Jamaicans are also detained in immigration centers in the U.S. after being arrested at the border.
Actions and decisions like this, they really do fight against the efforts of the government, and they do affect the reputation of the passport and the immigration experience of our lawful travelers.
Minister Johnson-Smith listed several programs that the government has embarked on for youth. But for Pam, she explains it's not enough.
Crime have a lot to do with it too, but then you have people who have a lot of kids who don't want to see them kids, you know, they want to have stuff, people want house, people want car, people want to live lavish.
And you don't think you can achieve that in Jamaica?
Jamaica money the value, Jamaica money don't have any value, you have to work the whole of your life to even own something. It's hard up there too, because people are ball the same way, but I mean, it's more opportunity, it's bigger, it's wider, it's 53 states. I mean, you could go you're here and nothing happen for you, you try somewhere else. But everything better, everything, the environment, the houses, your clothes, your appearance, everything is way different to me.
Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we applaud the Mexican authority for not allowing these people to come to Mexico and cross the border into the United States of America, because most Jamaicans who are living in America are law-abiding citizens. Work 2, 3, sometimes even 4 jobs. Even registered nurse work 2 jobs. You understand? To send back things to their family in Jamaica or to take care of their family right here. But these people, like this man who is wanted in Jamaica for murder and is in Teaneck, New Jersey, and he already claimed asylum that he's wanted by the Kingston Western Police for murder. And these are the people who are coming into the United States of America, and they are coming here not to become law-abiding citizens, but to create chaos. So when the State Department is going to release things talking about extrajudicial killing, these are people who are not afraid of killing your police officers or your citizens, as you can see. We do not want these people in our space. That's why most of us migrate from Jamaica, because Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. Remember that the government in Jamaica, you know, the previous government, they have implemented laws to clean the conviction of violent criminals, to send them to America. People who are deported from England and Canada. And then they come here and some of them even become United States citizens because the system is broken. We do not want these people in here, and we applaud the Mexican government. Yes, allow them to pass through Panama and let Mexico send them back. Don't allow them to come in, because most of them, they are deportees, or these people are violent, they are wanted in Jamaica for crimes. Several of them. These people are not law-abiding citizens. They are coming to your country to create havoc. It doesn't matter. Even the women, they are worse because they are the biggest contributor of crimes. This man right here that you're looking at, this man is wanted in Kingston Western Police Division for murder. And he's staying with a woman who lives in the United States of America. And she's giving him shelter, comfort, support, and you can name it, whilst he's here in the country illegally. She, whenever he's arrested, she's supposed to be charged for harboring a fugitive, because this man is a fugitive from justice in Jamaica. And he walks right through the airport in Jamaica and take a plane. That's his photograph right there. You understand? That's the man. Oh on earth Jamaica has reached to this point, and it's because of bad governance. Yes, the PMP LGBTQ plus party, when they were in government, they are the one that laid the foundation for this criminal paradise. Everything that they have done has made it better for criminals. That is what these people have done over the years, and destroying the minds of the Jamaican people and destroying other people's country. Look what Jamaicans have done in other countries in the Caribbean. Trinidad, the murder rate has increased because of Jamaicans that migrated to their countries. You do not, anytime you see the Jamaican passport, you have to ding it like it's one of those terrorists from the Middle East or Africa. The passport, once, most of Jamaican criminals, they're not intelligent. So once you start asking them questions, they're going to get evasive. You know that you're dealing with a criminal, they send them back. Jamaican criminals cannot, because they're inherently, these people are inherently dishonest, because it's a culture. You don't want them in your country. And we as Jamaicans living in America, we do not want them here either. Because we don't want to live around these people. These people are parasites. Anything that these people touch, this is just straight destruction. These people have no respect for law. None whatsoever. You understand? How is it so easy for these people to enter the United States of America and using Mexico as a transition point? Jamaicans don't want them in here, man. Let them stay in Jamaica. You understand? Let them stay in Jamaica. That's where they belong. Let them stay in the criminal's paradise. Because when they come here, these people, when they unleash their violence on the American people, as you have seen what happened in South Florida with men who, I don't understand this. Our man who's on bail for murder can leave his country and enter another country and applying for asylum, and then that man is out free on the street to kill two Americans in America. Criminals do not care where they are. And I just pray that the state of Florida give him the death penalty. Jamaican people do not want these people around them, and these parasites that enabling these terrorists to come here. There are a lot of Jamaicans who are in this country right now who are violent, and they are criminal-minded people. You understand? Jamaica is a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean Sea. And the best way to keep them out is not to allow them to come into America and grant them any asylum or any sympathy. Sympathy is a crime when it comes down to these people. These people are heartless and wicked. These people are wicked people. They have no problem killing the elderly, women, babies and pregnant women, and most of all police officers, because they have no respect for police officers. So we're begging the Mexican government to keep them out. Do not allow them any safe passage. You understand? Yes, let them come in with their tickets and just keep sending them back. Let them pay the relevant fee, and once they come, because they cannot speak Spanish, why are they going to Mexico? Mexico is not an English speaking country, so you know that their main aim is to come to America. If you have reached this far, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, subscribe. Share the video. Yes, like the video. Yes, like it, because you have reached this far. You know, so I have to repeat it so that others can, you know, get to see the video. And most importantly, comment below. Because we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we have read every comment that, you know, and respond accordingly. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.